Namaskaram, chess warriors. Welcome to OngoleBull's chess journey where every move tells a story. As always, pause for a moment and find Black's best move to force an eventual checkmate. Found it? Well done, champ. But even if you didn't, don't worry. I have got you covered. Before we dive into the solution, let's first absorb the position as usual. So, White's king on b3 looks somewhat trapped, but at first glance it seems well defended. The knight on d4 is a standing guard, covering the key squares around the king, while the queen at d5 sits strong in the center. With a couple of pawns around the king looks deceptively safe. But look closer. There is a hidden weakness here. The pawn on c3 is pinned against its own king due to black queen's attack. So it's leaving the pawn on b4 hanging and completely unprotected. Now let's exploit this. So with support from bishop on d6, Black's rook captures b4, putting White king in check. White is forced to move to a3, which is the only available square. Now Black's queen swoops in, capturing c3, delivering another check. White desperately blocks with knight to b3, but it's all over by now. Black delivers a stunning checkmate with queen to b2. So, if you enjoyed this breakdown and found it valuable, make sure to subscribe and be part of my chess journey. Let's all grow together and improve at chess together. Jai Bajrang Bali.